A very rare example, just arrived in, direct from the last owner. What a beautiful car. Audi A4 Allroad 2.0 TDI 170 brake horsepower, finished in Monsoon grey metallic. It is gorgeous with just 52,000 miles. Same family from new, so 2 registered to keep it. Around £6,000 worth of factory fitted options. A very rare car indeed. Let's take you all the way around it. Very versatile, of course. All-road Quattro 4-wheel drive, 170 2-litre TDI engine, TRONIC automatic gearbox. Absolutely huge boot on these cars. Got the net partition just there. That sort of flicks up. Of course, you got the load cover. Split folding rear seats. And you've got this mechanism here so you can carry things in the boot without them sliding about. You can lock things in, tie it down, various different positions with that. The long mat, so if you've got the seats folded down, the mat goes all the way back. This also has the optional spare wheel, brand new, never been used. This has also got a detachable tow bar, which is brand new, as you can see, and never ever been used. Detachable tow bar with all the electrics that just drop down from under the rear bumper. So a great feature if you want to do towing. The loading area nice and clean. Just a tiny little mark just on the silver trim there. Just go across there, as you can see, just there. Just point it out to you. But otherwise, very clean all the way around. No major damage anywhere else. Rear parking sensors. You've got the black extension arches onto the bodywork. Well, they are, I suppose, grey black really, and the colour changes slightly because just due to the age of it. We've had all the wheels professionally sandblasted and powder coated, so all those are totally unmarked. They're like brand new. All down the sides, no dents, scratches, scrapes or dings anywhere. Rear privacy glass, chrome roof rails. Again, a close-up of the arches. The slight discoloration just due to the age of it, but very good all the way around. Again, the front wheel, it's got a matching winter tyres all the way around. Close up across the front parking sensors, again that was optional. LED headlights, again that was an option. All across the front, lovely and clean. Of course, you're going to get a few stone chips due to the age and the mileage, but again, no major dents, scrapes anywhere across there. And this is why we do the videos, to show you full transparency, a close-up of the car. You're on your hands and knees with me to show you every angle, so nothing is left to chance. Giving you the confidence to buy this car from the comfort of your armchair, knowing there's no nasty surprises. The videos are full walk around video, nothing's been doctored. And the final wheel and tyre, again plenty of tread on there. All the door trims, great condition. Bang & Olufsen upgraded sound system. Black Milano leather, again all in great condition. Central armrest with a first aid kit in there. Non-smoker's car, no nasty smells in the vehicles, all the headlining in good condition, all undamaged. Plenty of legroom there. Again, the driver's door trim, all in fabulous condition. All the entry points. It's got the front sport seats, again that was an option. Again, very good condition, no undue wear. Leather multifunction steering wheel, again another option on the vehicle. All the dashboard in lovely condition, no damage to that. $52,416, that's what it's done. $52,416, 2013 on a 13 plate, so extremely low mileage. Satellite navigation, so this also has the technology pack high, which is option, all controlled off the menu on there. Scroll through all the menu. Of course, the upgraded sound system sounds terrific. Get the ride just right if you want individual, dynamic, auto, comfort, efficiency. It shows you in the middle of the dashboard as well what has been selected. Bluetooth phone connection. Parking sensors light up, so you put it into park with audible sound. CD system, SD input, dual zone climate control, heated front seats, again that was an option. Drive select can be selected from there as well as the main menu. Again, it shows on the dashboard which mode you're in, paddle shift gear change, cruise control speed limiter, and various audio functions on the steering wheel. All very straightforward. What a great car. Of course, we have 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear. We welcome part exchange. Finance is available. Please talk to us about full details on the finance. Read about our raving fans reviews and see why customers come back to us time and time again. Remember, you can click and reserve this car 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve. Come and collect from our showrooms in Stoke-on-Trent. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Please ask us for full details how that operates. We're open Monday to Saturday. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. Established since 1997. Any further information, please give us a call on 01782 822 700. We're happy to send you a personalised video if you feel that we've missed something on this main video. What a rare car. Audi ALLROAD 2.0 TDI QUATTRO 175 brake horse, 2013, with just 52,000 miles, owned by the same family from new, and £6,000 worth of options. Our phone number again is 01782 822 700. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition, and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in.
Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.